Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we went out on the road to have ourselves a drink. We went to this cafe, but it did not work out well for us because we were English speakers. So we did not get much recognition after the bartender found out that we did not speak French. So we had to leave this location and went to another location, which is Starbucks. So come with me and let's see what happened at Starbucks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hey guys. Hello. Hey guys, we are at Starbucks. Green Nation, you send me come a Starbucks.
But you don't get the coffee that you told her
But I
to
don't
taste.
get what.
It is not an exotic Starbucks place like other places. They have just normal coffee.
So yes, so I got normal coffee Starbucks, Green Nation. This is what I got. And this one, what you said I want to name, Gloria?
Coffee with chocolate.
This one it says white chocolate
Mocha blanc
with ocha sauce. Mocha blanc. Yes. So Green Nation, I am so disappointed. You sent me to Starbucks, but it is not here. But I'll definitely try somewhere else. Okay?
Who's Green Nation?
Green Nation, meet my friend Gloria. Gloria is asking who is Green Nation.
Oh, hello.
Green Nation is a YouTuber like myself. Very nice guy. Okay? I'll show you his channel. He's a very motivational person. Yeah? That's what he do on his channel. He's one of my motivators. But here we are together. We are having a coffee. We went somewhere before, but they were very rude there. As if because we are English speaker, we can't get served. Yeah. So we leave there and we come to Starbucks. What's Gloria eat? Like she hungry.
Me hungry.
So
every turn you turn a video. Like me, they come up in every video. I come to enjoy my 2 weeks vacation, and every turn, if you go in a bathroom, to turn on the video camera. I'm telling you. Oh, she's obsessed. Yes. Like me, a video vixen. You laugh.
guys, tell her that's what the YouTube world is about.
Well,
where everything you think of a video. I'm having a snack.
cheesecake.
She know must eat nothing to eat, and she give me sweet something to eat.
The chocolate is sweet. It is sweet. Really with sweet. It's okay, but it's a little bit sweet. You know something. So when you see like this, what you do now? Where you go home? You use it? Use what? This one we have one thing here. I don't know what you're doing. What? Throw in it's a bit tiny.
The taste is good though.
Yes.
It tastes good.
They don't have in Paris now. They have an exotic one, whatever flavor you want. You get this one.
Everything about Nice is boring. You can't find where to go. The place dead as 8 o'clock come. The place just dead.
You have to go like Monaco and Cannes, where we feel than them more, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of people come down out there. I can. And it was Montpellier, Toulouse
too long.
Toulon.
Too
Yes,
long.
a lot of people come down to Toulon. And can.
And chips.
It was empty. When it happened, we were empty. You know, the coach, it was me and a lady and her husband. That's
So guys, see you later, okay?
the house.
I'm so disappointed. But what can I do? Anyway guys,
We'll talk later.
see you later.
They having a party over there. They having a party over there, yeah? You see, look, Wally. Brother Jones, pull up my slip, man. You going like you don't have a woman in your yard. Pull it up, man. Brother Jones, pull up my slip. You know a woman in your yard, Brother Jones. Pull it up, man. One little video that below. Oh my God.
Guys, wow, we did enjoy ourselves today.
Yeah. Yes, we did. And we're going back home. It's a little bit chilly, but
It's not chilly.
It is.
It's very warm. It's a warm day, guys. You see what I'm wearing? It's very warm. Yeah. So, see you later, okay? And thank you all for watching. Okay?
Ciao.